Hi, let me show you how to scan QR codes on any iPhone. For that, we need to start by going in Settings and finding Camera section. Now just search for the feature Scan QR codes and make sure that switch is green so the feature is active. If you can see it like that, then just toggle on the switch. And now we need to go ahead and open Camera and make sure that you are in photo mode. After that, all is left is to take a QR code you want to scan. It could be on a paper or on other device like in my case. And just point the camera at the QR code. And then on the bottom you will see this orange link. Let me just try this out again. So yeah, we can see this orange link which we can tap and immediately check content of this QR code. So yeah, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.